Hello guys, review tablet Realme Pad 10.4 or 10.4 inch display, open box and full compactation to device. Okay, in compactation we have key for SIM slot, cable, Type-C cable, documentary, and on this we have adapter for charging. That's all compactation, default compactation for tablets, only cable and charge adapter. Okay, device made of metal and plastic. Main camera 8 megapixels, front camera 8 megapixels. On this side power key and this side port, Type-C port and headphones jack. Display 10.4 inch, speakers on the right and left side. On the up side we have warm buttons. Turn on device. Full HD plus resolution display. Open Geekbench 5 talk about system information. We have Android 11, Realme RMP 2103, CPU MediaTek 8786, 6 plus 2 cores, 1.8 and 2 GHz, Mali G52. Okay, look results. Single core score, multi-core score, these CPU test results, GPU test results and Antutu benchmark results. Look. Antutu benchmark results. Okay, close this, run dynamic game GTA San Andreas on the max graphic level. Okay, game works very good. Close this. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.